Alright, I'm up here.
Okay, you gotta go a little more. I will tell him. Okay, right there. If you can get that rope around the tree there.
Just give me a second here. I get poked in my ear left and right.
I know. The tree branch right ahead over your head. If you can get around that part.
Yeah, around this one right there.
Yes, but around the main trunk.
Yeah, above that.
Well, no, and guess what? You can stay right below it. Because when you pull, you're going to go up. So that's fine.
Okay.
Right. You can't feel, Caleb?
Nope.
You can't see.
I can't see.
Now. All right, you do that. Now do that again.
There.
Now I will have to pull.
Pull on it until he gets down.
Right.
There we go.
Now go ahead.
Just come down. You can throw the rope up there where Abigail is and we'll bring it around.
Right.
Can you make your way over toward the lawn?
There we go.
Just come out of that thing. Don't get too far out on the branches.
Right.
Can't you? Chris, are you gonna go catch him? He can't jump on rocks. Chris,
Alright, now what?
Now you can't sit like that. You gotta climb down and hang yourself down.
can you put
You know,
a
like you
ladder
do
up?
if you did. Come on.
Let's see.
Grab the next branch down and hang. Yep, like that. Now, like that. Now you're gonna have to just grab the next one down and keep doing that. Keep putting your foot against there. Now slide your foot down.
I'm gonna fall right
No,
down.
you're not. Because you got yourself held on there. Slide your foot down. Thank you. Yeah, just like that. Now you're gonna fall down.
Now I just hung myself.
Just go ahead. Like that. That's real hard. I didn't know what that was so hard about.
Throw the rope up to Abigail and she'll swing it around them branches.
It seems higher than it is right
I know.
Well, or maybe it seems lower than it is when you're on the ground.
Stuck.
now. I just climbed up.
That's all.
There we go.
I got it on there.
Yep.
See guys, we don't just play games on vacation. We do the work too.
This is gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah, well does it oil the chain?
Yeah.
Go that
You could have maybe put it in another key.
Gotta put that back on.
Yep. Well, that's about the last spruce, other than these here.
Oh, yeah,
They're okay. We had a big birch that was
Caleb, come get these branches.
dropped
The,
that in.
oh, there.
Well, we've come here to our last day, full day I should say, here at the cabin. I know it's a sad time, but all good things come to an end. So my dad and I are going to be going out fishing to a spot that we have not been at this year. We've been there multiple times before, but just not this year. So we're going to go and see if we can get something. So let's get it. Well, I've gotten 2 bites straight out there. I wonder what it does to the video. And no such luck. So biting real light. My sister here, she's taking her beauty rest, and my dad's fishing. And so we're gonna see here. We'll catch one here, I think. Well, we just wrapped it up, guys. So sad. Fishing done. Oh well. Moving back to the mountain. Lawn care landscaping, here we come. So I'm gonna head in. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next episode. I'm gonna be heading down near the cities tomorrow before our flight on Sunday night. So guys, thanks so much again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.